$100 easy.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So as you can see by the title, this is a very exciting day. I am going to finally get to drive my car for the first time ever. I have been waiting for this moment probably for the last 4 years since I started saving for a car. To have that finally happen, it's like, even though the car is not completely done yet, it's like all of my work is paid off. All of the time spent into this car, it's like it's finally all coming together and I can finally drive it. And I am super excited to finally get behind the wheel of this car. I absolutely cannot wait. And I still gotta wait like the rest of the day because we still have to put some stuff together on it. But I cannot wait. And tomorrow's even cooler because it's Cars and Coffee. We're having a meet at my house and all that. The first time that this car is going to leave this garage, leave this property, and drive on the road for the first time in over 6 months, which is crazy. So I really cannot wait to do this, and it is really just, it's so awesome. It's crazy to think that we have spent the last 6 months working and working, and finally now, today's the day. I get to drive it, and I don't even know. It's just freaking awesome. And yeah, I know it isn't going to be fast, but I am excited to see how it is, how it handles. But no matter what, it's going to be an extremely fun car to drive. And just look at this thing. This thing just, well, ignore the fact that it doesn't have paint, but this car just looks cool. I don't know. I probably sound stupid, but I'm just super excited because this is finally happening. So what we have to do before we drive it, we have to masking off some of these areas because we're going to like hose it off and wash it a little bit because it's disgusting. This is all just dust. So is the floor. The floor is like a white from body filler sanding. So I taped this off so we don't get a ton of water going down through the doors. Taped off some of the holes. We still have to put the muffler on, the heat shield on, the rear bumper on, under flares, and the wheels. I gotta throw on a little bit of stuff here, but it won't be too bad. And then once all that is on, we will take it on the road and drive it for the first time. I'll drive it for the first time ever, but it'll drive back on the road for the first time in 6 months. Oh, the camera's all completely washed out. Sorry that this intro was super long, but let's get right into it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. I've been waiting for it for a long time. Let's do it, guys. First time this car is driving out of the garage in a long time.
What's up with the fucking...
It works.
Really?
So press it. Yeah, it does.
Can't see it.
Maybe it's because the battery's low. Oh, it actually does pick up. It's not bad at all. I was worried that 160 horsepower would be not great, but it definitely picks up, that's for sure. Everyone, before we get into the drive, I just wanted to say that the GoPro audio wasn't great on the way there, so I'm probably going to add in some subtitles and stuff so you guys can at least kind of get an idea of what we were saying, because, I don't know. I put a mic on it now and I fixed it, so all the audio issues should be pretty much fixed. It's not great now, but it's a lot better than it was before. So yeah, I'll just add some stuff in there. I also want to say thank you to everybody who showed up for the cruise. Probably going to do another one next month, and it was super awesome, super fun. Can't wait. So yeah, just letting you guys know that the audio might be a little bit weird with the GoPro stuff, but yeah, let's get right into it. I hope you enjoy. I might have you film a little bit, if you're able to. I'll just take it off.
You're in neutral.
Trying.
Don't give it a lot of gas.
I know. You're good.
Make sure you look. There's this shit. This is awesome. You had a lot of people show up.
Alright everyone, right now we are driving the Supra. We are cruising with a bunch of other people. Got a MK2 Supra, S2K, a couple other muscle cars and stuff. Super awesome. And this car, it feels great. It feels awesome to finally drive it. We're on the highway.
I shifted to fifth.
Steering wheel's a little vibrating.
Yeah, it's that's if those tires are out of balance a little bit, that's when it's going to show up. We'll drive it a little while, then I'll rebalance it so I know the ground.
Yeah. Guys, the gearing in this car is actually pretty long. So nice though. It drives really good. It feels really good.
What's that?
Or something.
Just focus on driving.
Going around a bank turn, and this thing is gripping up really nice.
We're not going that fast.
It's still. These are like regular road tires. They're not what you have on your car.
Yeah, that's true.
Park.
Can you go over here?
Should we?
I don't know.
I don't think there's room back there.
Why don't you?
Yeah, we're better off going this way. We did it, guys. We drove to Cars and Coffee. It's freaking awesome. So just a quick thing before we get into this next part. If it looks like I'm mad or not happy for some reason, it's just because I think that was the 4th time I drove the car. It's more of me just being very focused on driving and stuff because I just don't want to stall it or miss shift or break it or anything. So if I just look like I'm mad, I'm just letting you guys know I'm not in this next part. It's just because I'm super focused on not like screwing my car up. So yeah, just bear with me, guys. All right, everyone, as you can hear, there is a microphone on the GoPro now, so it sounds better. Take my mom and my sister for a ride in this because they haven't been in it yet. And yeah, pretty much just another reaction thing. Down there. It's on your hand.
Paint.
Oh.
It's like a time warp. Look at this thing. Wow.
There's lights in it right here that actually go with music.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool. You're not gonna hit anything, right?
Oh, I'm good.
Wow, you're so low.
Yeah. Yeah, it's first. Feels like third.
It sounds good.
Thanks. Except for the brakes, they're squeaky.
I thought the other day you guys were honking at me, and then I realized it was your brakes. Because I was like, that's a funny horn. Jesus. Steering wheel is cool.
Yeah.
How does this turn
What does what turn
on? How does the
on?
light turn on?
It doesn't. It only does when the door is
It's a
open.
decoration.
No, it turns on when the door is open.
It's a decoration.
I love the seats though, they're super comfortable.
They are really comfortable.
What are these things?
Oh, they're buttons because I've got this because it pumps air up and those let air out.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
How does the
like a
cigarette lighter
Lombard.
work? It looks like a button.
Was this like car like super souped out for the 1983?
What do you mean?
It's got like a pump device.
I mean, it's high end. Right up the hill. I know. One first. Stupid. Here it goes. Holy crap, this thing freaking goes. I haven't done that
I
that much
wasn't
yet.
expecting that.
That's only 160 horsepower. I love this thing. I wasn't expecting it to accelerate like that either. That did good.
Nice. Cozy little. It's like hugs your body.
Yeah. I mean, it's really not bad for 160 horsepower. Like, this thing will accelerate up a hill in 4th gear like it's nothing. I mean, it's got 235s on for tire width.
What does that mean?
Like, they're, I don't exactly know, but they're a little bit wider. So it hooks up really well and grips up really good.
That's cool.
It'd be easier.
Oh my god. I was not expecting that seatbelt. Is this going back?
Yeah, I think.
What are these?
That's the fog lights and that's the power lock.
Oh wow. Mirrors. Oh.
Is that a whole sound frequency app thing?
It's an equalizer.
You can make the bass go.
It's
I
not.
don't like that.
Usually there's music that comes from it. So yeah, guys, car feels great. Accelerates really nice for 160 horsepower. Alright everyone, that'll do it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed. This video was super fun to make. I know there was a lot in it, but it was awesome. The car, right now we're taking stuff off of it to get it ready to go to the paint booth. So I do not know if there will be a video out next week or not, because I might not even have the car here. So I might do a car review next weekend if I'm able, or next week if I'm able to. Next Cars and Coffee. That is going to be crazy because this thing will be done. It'll be done before that, but it'll be done for Cars and Coffee next month. We're going to have another meet at my house, another cruise, some other awesome stuff. Stick around on the channel because we're going to do some awesome car stuff in the future with some of my new friends that I've met throughout this past year and all of that. So stick around for a lot of new car content. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do in the winter yet, but we'll figure that out when it gets here. Not a huge concern. But yeah, car is going to get sent off to the paint shop probably by the end of this week. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And I am super happy that I finally got to make this video. So thank you all so much for watching and supporting the channel. You all are awesome, and you guys are really just a huge motivator in what keeps me working on this thing so hard. So yeah, thank you all so much. I will see you all next week. I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Bye.